I bought this Range Rover for £800. It beat off the competition in an off-roading challenge and won some serious mods. And today we're installing them. Lizzy's getting a glow up. With the help of the guys from ORE 4x4, we'll be making my L322 even more capable off-road. But before that, Isaac's going to walk me around and show me the aftermath of the off-roading challenge.
Right, so it's taken a bit of battering after the off-road day.
Yeah, just a little bit.
But should I go through what we did beforehand and how it escalated?
Yeah, go on.
So here, see the shiny new bolts?
Yes.
That was a liquid moly gearbox flush, so the gearbox was on point.
Wow.
The sills were not there, so I had to employ next door Dan HMS because there was that much to do to sort that out. So all of this wasn't here. So we fixed all that. Handbrake, remember there's no handbrake.
Snapped.
Yeah, so the back plates are rotten, which hold all that in, so I'm waiting on those, so we had to run a handbrake.
Okay.
So basically I bodged your car up.
Thank you.
But it's fine because we're going to fix it. The biggest bit, remember you could put your hand through the side of this bit?
Yeah.
Now it's a good used item and it's not rotten, so.
It still is quite rusty.
Yeah, but they're very expensive to buy for some reason, so.
But it matches the rest of the car.
Yeah.
Cool.
And the main thing is it's solid and safe. There was a lot of mud and jumping.
Yeah.
And it's kind of removed the bumper by itself.
Yeah. But that's okay.
Yeah, we'll sort that.
Battle scars.
Yeah, but soon it'll be good. It'll be ready for central London to last 2 minutes and get stolen. So.
Amazing. Well, Isaac, thank you so much. It's looking beautiful, but
No problem.
I think I'm going to put some mods on it now.
It's a good idea.
Yeah.
Nice.
You going to help or?
No, I've got, other stuff to do.
Bigger and better things. You've had enough of
Have fun, have fun, have fun.
Yeah. No, thanks. So Chris, talk me through it. What are we doing today?
Okay, Izzy, what we're going to do today, we've got some proper mud-to-rent tyres.
Nice.
So that your Range Rover will go anywhere. Guys from Front Runner are kitted out with the latest roof rack system from Front Runner.
Cool.
Got loads of accessories to go on top of that, so you can store all your recovery kit in it.
Nice.
And we've got the latest lights from Light Parts to put on the front of the roof rack, so you'll go anywhere at night as well.
Amazing. Should we get started?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I stripped the old wheels off Lizzy, then sent them off with Lewis to have the new all-terrain tyres fitted. While that was going on, Chris informed me I'd have to climb onto the roof of my Range Rover to remove the bolts for the original roof rails. I wasn't thrilled with this suggestion. What if I fly through the car?
You're not going to fly through the car. Right, Izzy, so what we're going to do, your roof rack's modular, so this is a universal rail that fits in a number of different vehicles. We've got this little gasket here.
Right.
And what we're going to do, we're going to figure out where the mounting points are, which is 3 along here on this Range Rover. And we're going to shorten, we're going to cut that down to the right length, and then we're going to bolt it straight onto the roof. If we have a quick look under this one, there should be a hole there.
Yeah.
That way it can go. Now that should take the plug out, and that's the hole for the mounting for these.
And we have to drill into that?
No, these will fit through that.
Okay,
The
fine.
bit we drill is where your wiring harness for the lights is going to go into the roof.
I don't love that. It's a bit scary. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Do you want all of them doing?
Yeah, while you're up there.
Speed! Oh, hi.
Why are you obsessed with this piece of tat? Sorry.
You take that back.
Sorry.
She's my pride and joy.
When will you have finished? When will you go, oh, this car's done?
Well, an MOT to start.
Yeah, what does it need for an MOT?
Our handbrake snapped off.
Right.
So handbrake.
Is that all that's holding it back?
Yeah. To add another couple of touches to Lizzy, I've made all of this stuff, thanks to the sponsor of this video, Bamboo Labs, who've provided us with their X1 Carbon 3D printer. There's a huge library of stuff to print, and it's unbelievably easy to use. You pick a thing to print, click print, and away it goes. In a jiffy, you'll have a 3D printed component ready to install into your car. The X1C is compatible with a wide range of high-performance filaments using an automatic material system, or AMS, to nail builds like these. I've used a printer to create some genuinely convenient bits and bobs for Lizzy, including this funnel for topping up fluids, this to fit my Stanley Cup in, this to mount my phone, and then this, which we'll get to later. Let's get these set up. Phone holder, sorted. Cup holder for Stanley, sorted. You guys might have seen that the crew have printed their very own accessory. It's a trucker knob. Screen wash. I'll do. You'll see the final and best print in just a little bit, but first it was time for a big debate.
Right, Izzy, so we've mocked up the rack.
Yeah.
Ian's now spotted the fancy little gland, the scan strut, where you're going to drill a hole in the roof for the wiring to go into the car, so it keeps it nice and dry. While it's there, I just wanted to show you this because you wanted the big lights. This is how they're going to look. They're going to look a bit like that. Okay?
See, I feel like you don't like that.
No, they're on my car, but obviously I've got a lot of stuff on my car and there's like a big roll cage and things. It's quite chunky. It's obviously personal preference. However,
but I feel like you want this one.
Why don't we try that one and see what you think?
Oh, that'll look better. That's what you want.
I don't know if I agree.
Oh, yeah, you want that like that.
Look at the size of this.
I mean, they're obviously...
He's going to have big ones on it.
Oh, I will be having the
You're
big
not
ones.
having any of it, is she?
No.
Because this does look better.
The big ones are going to be a bit big.
Yeah, but that's the point.
Good on certain big end.
Back off. What if I did 2 big ones and then 2 little ones?
You could do that.
But like swap, so the big one and where the little one is now and the little one where the big one is. Now, is that a thing? Or if I just
You made it a thing.
It's unique. What do you think? You're the pro.
I quite like that, but I'd probably prefer 2 small ones either side. Because you've got like quite a slim roof rack, haven't you?
What's your obsession with the small ones?
Richard, what do you think?
I personally think on there, the small ones actually, the big ones are great if they're real big. And they're very well.
And also, I can hand you that.
Oh my God,
As Richard said, the small ones, you could actually have like that.
There you go. So that's the optimum.
I honestly don't understand why that looks
It's
better.
more keeping with the car.
Yeah, but I want them to look ridiculous. Well, I want these ones, but everyone says the little ones. So I'll just get stupid little ones. Ugh.
What do you think, Lewis?
I like the big ones, but then I'm a lighting guy, so I like anything that's big and bright.
Why were we at the cog for 2 days because we were choosing lights?
How can you say that doesn't look better?
You will have 4 of them as well.
But how? I don't understand. Are you blind?
I call an old-fashioned vote. Hands
Why
up
are we
vote.
voting on my car?
all for small?
No, keep that hand down. Right, stay there.
Be honest,
Wait.
everyone. Who votes small?
Well, that's 3.
And who votes big?
Who votes big? Put your hand up. Put your hand up, Mike. That's 4.
But if you go small, you can have amber as well, not just white.
Yeah, but I don't think I want amber. I'm just going to do the little ones, otherwise everyone's going to say it.
Oh, for God's sake. So that was a waste of 25 minutes then, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll
this
have
has
the
been
little
great.
ones.
I'm going to go and get your wheels so then we can maybe get this on the road and have a look.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye now.
Ta-da.
I don't want to be a Range Rover club. It's scaring me. I'm going over here now.
We have voted and we've gone for the small lights.
Right, Izzy, the guys at Front Runner have mocked up your roof rack ready to drop on your Range Rover.
Okay.
And the kit we've got on it is we've got 2 what they call wolf boxes, which are really cool storage boxes. You can stand in them really strong. And we've got your recovery tracks in case you get stuck in the mud. You can chuck them under the tyres.
Put them underneath. Okay.
Correct, that's what that is. Now, it's personal preference how you want the layout on the car.
Right.
So, outside is the Front Runner car. We'll have a look at that. And they've got the wolf boxes off centre. Or you could have them side by side at the front, so it's symmetrical. And you can have your recovery tracks at the back like this. It's personal preference, but we need to know before we bolt all the brackets down that hold on this in place.
I don't love decisions like these.
Should we go and have a look at my car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do
we'll
that.
Right, Izzy, so we'll chuck 2 of these on here on the top of my car. You can see, you can have 2 at the front like that, sort of symmetrical.
Yeah.
Or if we look at Johnny's car for Front Runner, he's got them offset, look.
Oh, yeah.
So he's got his kit bag here and he's got 2 offset. So you could have 2 offset and your match
and then
tracks
the
here.
above there.
Personal preference. Either way, when you open the door of the car, you're standing and you can get to anything anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
I don't know, that looks quite cool, but I don't know if that's because it's a Defender, so it's like real boxy.
I reckon you like symmetrical, don't you?
Yeah.
Right, so we'll put them like that, we can always change it.
Okay, decision made.
All right, let's do that.
While the Front Runner guys were bolting down my traction boards and wolf boxes, Chris gave me the worst news of the day.
Right, Izzy, and you just drill a hole in your car.
I don't love this, you know.
You're going to drill down until that tape stops.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're going to pull the trigger as hard as you can.
Okay.
Right.
Ready?
3, 2. Wait. Oh, okay.
Go.
And again. Oh, no, too far.
Shut up, please don't say that.
That's
It's
it.
stuck, it's stuck.
That's it.
Now I've done
You
it.
drilled your first hole in your car. That's in the wrong place.
I'm so sorry that I did that to you, Lizzy.
So, if we just drill a hole in the roof and had the cable in there, all the water getting in, it would rot your headline in. So, we've got this little clever tool with a scan strut. The cable's going to go through there, through your roof rack to your roof lights. And these 4 holes here, it's going to go like that. And that's going to cover up like that. What that is, that's a waterproof gland. But it also means you're going to take the roof rack off on your roof lights, undo it, put it back on, it'll just leave it there like that. Say you're drilling 4 individual holes for the 4 lights, you just have 1.
Clever.
There you go, scan strut.
Cool. Fab. Amazing.
I have a present for you.
Thank you so much.
Your old tyres.
Wow,
joking.
lucky me.
You ready for these? They're beefy boys.
They do look good.
I feel like Postman Pat. Special delivery. Let's get these ones out of the way. I thought we'd keep these ones just in case, you know, just in case you don't get on with them.
Okay.
Because these are in good nick.
Yeah. We've got a lot of Range Rovers, so
We've got a lot of Range Rovers.
it's nice to have a lot of tyres.
Exactly.
I would help you, but
Yeah, you should stand there.
I can't be bothered.
You stand there with your cup of tea.
I
It's
don't-
fine,
yeah.
don't worry. I'll just do all the hard work.
Thanks so much.
Shock.
Wow.
Look at these. And they are incredibly heavy.
Really? They're really cool, aren't they?
Beefy boys, aren't they?
Really.
That's yours now.
Oh, I'm out of control. I'm out of control.
Out of my depth.
I'm one-handed.
Right, Izzy, so Ian's finished all the wiring for your lights.
Okay.
Pull that all the way through the dash, all the way through the battery box and all the way to the lights. What we're going to do now, the last piece is, that hole you drilled earlier, we're going to pull the wiring loom inside the car, outside the car, so we
Yeah.
can connect your lights. So you pull that fish rod, push that through to me.
Whee!
So all we're going to do now is we're going to connect the scan strut onto here.
Yeah.
That's going to make a waterproof gland so the water doesn't get in the car. We've got the cables on the outside of the car.
Easy.
Roof rack on, lights on, wide up.
So the final 3D printed piece is this bad boy. Now this was actually Isaac's idea because the Queen famously had a Labrador on the front of her L322, so I've got one on mine. Perfect. We went with Bamboo Labs premium fibre reinforced nylon for my Labrador. Why? Because it delivers industrial grade precision with metal-like strength. Ideal for automotive parts and my little bonnet ornament for Lizzy. So if you fancy modifying or fixing your car, this stuff is absolutely perfect for the job. Thanks to Bamboo Labs for sponsoring today's video. Now back to the mods. She's looking pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
Pleased with that?
Yeah, she looks amazing. Thank you so much. So cool. The wheels, amazing.
Yeah, tyres, lights, roof rack. Go
I'm
anywhere
happy.
vehicle now. Should we go and test the lights out?
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna do the lights. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That is so insanely bright. This is hilarious. I think those lights are the final piece of Lizzy's transformation into an off-roading machine. If you guys want to see some more Range Rover Club action, let us know down below in the comments. Definitely say yes. Lizzy's ready to go off-roading again.